Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to list an item start to finish using the Poshmark app. I also have another video that shows you how to list using the desktop. In this video, we are going to list using our phone and using the app. So you're going to want to get your phone and you're going to want to open up your Poshmark app. And you are going to go down to the bottom in the very center where it says sell. So you are going to click the sell button. And then you are going to open up your photos. Then you're going to find your Poshmark photos that you would like to upload. So for demonstration purposes in this video, I'm going to be listing this Hawaiian shirt. And you're going to click next in the top right hand corner. So this is where you can kind of go through and make sure everything is cropped correctly, make sure everything shows up in your listing, make sure you have taken your photos on square mode or converted them into a square. And once you have made sure that everything is good to go, you're going to click next. In this next screen, this is where you are going to choose which photo is going to be your cover shot, and then you're going to click next again. This is where it comes to the Poshmark filters. I said this in my desktop tutorial as well. I do not recommend adding any of the filters. This was one of the original features of Poshmark, and I think that's why they keep it around, just to, kind of keep it as part of the original version of the app. I've been selling on Poshmark since 2014. Back in 2014, it was kind of the thing to do was to add a filter to stuff. Not so much now. You want to have clear, natural lighting. You want to depict the item in the right way. You don't want to mislead anybody about color or anything like that. So you're going to click next. And this is going to bring it to your listing screen. So you've added all your pictures. So next you're going to go to title. And I'm going to title this Gap Hawaiian Shirt Vintage. And then you're going to go into your description. And I'm going to go and say vintage 90s Gap Hawaiian shirt. It is a size large, gently worn, great condition. Then I'm going to put the measurements. When I am going through and photographing my items, I write down the measurements in a notebook. That's just what works best for me. So it is 25 inches armpit to armpit and 32 inches long. And then you're going to go up and click done. So you're going to select category. Since this is in the men's category, you need to swipe over to men's over at the top. You're going to click shirts. And then I am going to select for this casual button-down shirts. You're going to go down, you're going to select the size. If you just have one of something, you don't really have to do anything with the quantity. That's just if you have multiple. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to select the brand. I'm not going to do anything with color just because there's so many colors in this shirt and I don't really like adding colors anyway. So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave the new with tags because it's not new with tags. I'm going to come here to original price. I'm going to click 0. And then I'm going to add in the price for the listing price for the item. And then it will show you your earnings when sold if it sells for this price. And then you're going to make sure that you have everything filled in your listing. And you are going to click next. So I have it selected to share to Pinterest and to share to the party that is currently going on. So then I'm going to click list. And then it added it, it shared it to the party, and it took me to the party's main page. So then I'm just going to go to my closet and make sure it showed up. So there it is. all nice and neat.